Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the delightful process of crafting a scrumptious pan mi from scratch. Let's dive right in. To start, let's prepare our delectable toppings lineup. Gather anchovies, black fungus mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, vegetables, and minced pork. For the flavorful minced pork marinade, combine minced pork with a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, a drizzle of light soy sauce, and a spoonful of oyster sauce. Now, let's stir-fry the marinated minced pork to perfection. Heat a generous amount of oil in a pan, then introduce garlic, onions, and the marinated minced pork to the sizzling stage. Once the minced pork achieves its mouth-watering glory, set it aside and shift your focus to crafting the soul-soothing soup. In a trusty pot, combine water, white radish, golden onions, fresh leeks, anchovies with their heads held high, and the flavorful chicken carcass to lay the foundation of our soup. Allow this simmering symphony of ingredients to harmonize and infuse the broth with their rich flavors. While the soup serenades, it's time to prepare the star of our show, the pan mi noodles. Cook these strands of delight following the instructions on the package. Once the noodles reach their perfect tenderness, gracefully drain them and keep them aside. With all components ready, let's bring together our pan mi masterpiece. In a bowl, place the cooked noodles, savory minced pork, briny anchovies, earthy black fungus mushrooms, umami-packed shiitake mushrooms, and crisp vegetables. Now, pour the soul-warming soup over this symphony of flavors and noodles to complete our culinary canvas. For those with a penchant for spice, don't hesitate to add a dollop of chili paste for that extra fiery kick. And voila! You've created a delectable bowl of homemade pan mi, bursting with a medley of exquisite flavors to satiate your cravings. We trust you relished this culinary journey. Remember to show your appreciation by liking and subscribing to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next delectable adventure.